Tawa is life. Business is negosyo. Maasahan at mapagkakailan. Matibay na kagamitan. Kapag nagsama, si Tito Henry at si Tita Chris. Maxiong Serbisyo at Bonggang Negosyo ang Mapapala. The King of Philippine Business, Henry C. And the Queen of Talk, Chris Aquino. Ninong TV proudly presents another action of learning the businesses of the King of Philippine Business with your Denver Ninong Castro. As Henry C. and a special guest Princess Claudehead Arabet as Chris Aquino. And Lalake and Babay at Ann Mall, studying Henry C's SM Home World and Ace Hardware businesses and his connections with Chris Aquino in SM Supermalls, simulcast on Ninong TV June 18, 2024. Henry C., the King of Philippine Business. Only here at Ninong TV, your educational vlog show and entertainment.
What's up to all of you, and this is your Denver Ninong Castro once again. Welcome to Ninong TV, your live watching for Facebook and YouTube subscribers, and also available in our respective social media, TikTok, Instagram, and Google. So welcome to Ninong TV. This is another action of learning the businesses of your Tito Henry, the King of Philippine Business, with your Ninong and our dear special guest that we will have. But before that, what is the title of our video blog? So that we can give education, entertainment, and another action of learning the businesses of FLC. Not only SM, but it has many. Dahil 100 plus ito at part ng inyong educational, entertainment, and purposes. Ang title ng ating vlog for today is Ang Lalaki, Ang Babae, at Ang Mo. Studying Henry C's SM Home World and Ace Hardware businesses and his connections with Chris Aquino in SM Supermalls. Oh, very interesting po ang ating video vlog for today dahil sa mga fans club ni Tito Henry nyo o kaya ang kanyang mga SM Supermalls at ang fans club ni Miss Chris Aquino, the Queen of Talk. Magkukolab silang dalawa to give us education, entertainment, and how business works. At ano nga ba ang ambag ni Miss Chris o ni Tita Chris dito sa SM ng Tito Henry nyo? Diba? Para makapagbigay ng learnings, especially sa mga nanay, sa mga misis. Diba? Naghanap ng mga damit, make-up, mga bags and shoes, at mga baon sa mga chikiting. So, that is one of the roles of Tita Chrissy. Diba? Sa pagpupunta niya sa SM of Tito Henry. Okay. So, for the first episode muna, bago tayo pumunta sa ating interesting slide, diba? Chris Aquino, diba? At saka si Henry C. magko-collab for the first time for another action learning brought to you by Henry C. the King of Philippine Business and presented by Ninong TV, of course. Okay. So, unang-una, we will have Ace Hardware and SM Home World. Siyempre, sa ating bahay, sa ating kusina at sa ating araw-araw, especially sa ating mga construction worker, kaway-kaway, special shout-out at sa ating mga architect who is making buildings, houses, and any kailangan kailangan na partner natin dito ang Ace Hardware at SM Homework. So ano nga bang meron sa Ace Hardware ng Tito Henry nyo? Ace Hardware is the partnership between myself and the SM Group owned by C Family. In 1924, to increase buying power and profits, entrepreneurs Richard Hesse, G. and Gunnar, linguist Frank Burke, and Oscar Fisher united their Chicago, Illinois hardware stores into Ace stores. The company was named after the Ace fighter pilots of World War I. Oh. So since World War I pa pala ang Ace Hardware, at since 1924 pa pala ito. So bago dumating o bago isilang ang Tito Henry nyo, meron na palang Ace Hardware. And later on the 19th or 20th century, nung nag-evolve ang SM ng Tito Henry nyo, ay nag-franchise si Henry C. sa Ace na magkaroon tayo ng mga hardware o bilihan ng mga appliances, ng mga upuan, ng mga pang-tools, pang-kotse, pang-kitchen, etc. etc. Kaya mapapansin nyo sa tuwing nasa SM tayo, nationwide, and even sa China, we are seeing Ace Hardware. Na ang Ace Hardware dito sa Pilipinas is owned and franchised by Mr. Henry C. and now operated by the C families. Okay. So yun po ang meron sa kanyang Ace. And we will have another, kung meron tayong mga tools, meron tayong mga pang-repair, syempre hindi mawawala ang home appliances. Meron tayong pangpagawa ng bahay, meron tayong mga tools. Syempre kailangan natin ng appliances. At sagot kayo ni Tatang sa kanyang SM Home World. It's the home section of the SM store. We've got it all. Your home essentials covered, kitchenware and appliances, dining, linen, storage. Okay, so dito po madidiscover natin ang SM Homework. Nakapartner din ng ating bahay, kaya Homework. So ito yung mga businesses na ito is para sa bahay, appliances, kitchen, pangtulong, or like bed. In other words, the beds. Tsaka yung mga pang-toilet, halo-halo. Basta magagamit sa bahay. Okay. For the first episode, as part of our vlog, ang lalaki, ang babae, at ang ball, we will have the Ace Hardware and SM Homework. So, ano-ano nga bang services na pwede nilang gawin sa ating taong bayan to serve the people and the economy. Check it out. just witnessed our ACE and SM homework, di ba? For through the years, tayo ay napunta sa SM, na-discover natin yung ating mga appliances, mga gamit sa kusina, mga tools, all of that is came from ACE and SM homework. Somehow, yung ACE makikita na rin sa loob ng SM store. On the second floor or sometimes sa third floor, pagka medyo pagod ka na pumunta doon sa main store ng ACE, nasa SM store nandun din yung mga ACE product. Pero kung medyo wala yung ibang hanap nyo doon sa ACE ng SM store, sa mismong ACE store, along ground floor, minsan nasa third floor siya, na second floor, di ba? As your ninong, as your Tito Henry, di ba? That is giving you some of the idea, some of the way kung paano tayo makakabili ng mga quality products. Okay? So, perfect na perfect to sa ating mga momshies, sa ating mga dadshies, sa mga kuyas, ates na naghahanap ng matibay na gamit, di ba? SM Homeward at ACE Hardware. Okay? For the next episode, we will have Chris Aquino Slides by Princess Arabit. Oh, okay. Madi-discover naman natin kung sino nga ba si Tita Chrissy. Ano bang ambag nito? Aside from being actress, movie actress, entrepreneur, or anything na naisip natin about Chris Aquino. So, ano pang pwede niyang i-serve dito sa Philippines. And of course, we will have a special guest to be role as Miss Chris Aquino. She's our Ninong TV and MTV Vice President, Princess Arabit. At nakasama rin natin sa 2012 Philippine Adaptations bilang Karen Mitch, reporter na kasama daw ni John Mark Akyong sa ABC News. So, we will have Princess Arabit. Ayan, diba? Ng tawag doon, ABC News TV Action. So, naalala ko tuloy yung pelikula ko. Anyway, maraming salamat sa mga patuloy na nanonood. Ang 2012, it's also for sale. Para meron kayong sariling kopya for only 600 pesos. That will be cost for the CSR program ng Ninong TV to help the church organization and yung ating mga street children. Diba, mabigyan natin sila ng donation. Okay, so Princess Arabit, the stage is yours as Miss Chris Aquino. Thank you.
Christina Bernadette Cuanco Aquino, born February 14, 1971, professionally known as Chris Aquino. Chris Aquino is a Filipino television host, actress, producer, socialite, and businesswoman. She notably starred as Princess Intan in the acclaimed Crazy Rich Asian, and is a recipient of 42 PMPC Star Awards for television, and 10 Golden Screen Awards, and the Famous Award.
Ano, are you pregnant? Sabi ko, no, I'm not pregnant, Doc! Nakakaloka! Saksak ka lang kung ano-ano. Sabi niya,
I love you!
long life. Ayaw namin naririnig yung mga nasasabi niya na kung hanggang dito na lang. Yun, parang gusto ko na parang umabot pa siya sa point na mga anak ni Bim, maabutan ka niya. Thank you.
you've just discovered the slide of Chris Aquino, diba? Talagang naalala natin yung pagiging tanyag na Tita Crazy. Ngayon, na-miss natin siya kasi nakipaglaban si Miss Chris sa kanyang sakit. So, ipag-pray natin na sana gumaling siya at lumakas at muling bumalik yung dati niyang aura, muling bumalik yung service niya, yung nagbibigay ng tuwa, saya, iba yung nakakaloka, ay parang gano'n. Nakuha-kuha ko Diba yung nakakamiss na tagline ni Tita Crazy nyo, yung nakakaloka, bongga, diba? May tama ka. Ma-program niya yun sa kanya mga naging lesson shows, TV program, diba? So, Miss Chris Aquino is also a businesswoman. At meron siya mga naging movie services. And of course, she's also a mother of Binti and Kuya Joshua. Si Joshua yung panganay niya. Okay. So, anyway, thank you very much kay Princess. No? Talagang kuwang-kuwa, nag-aura din talaga si Princess, di ba? Parang kunwari si Chris Aquino talaga. Diba? So, that's good to discover the slide of Miss Chris Aquino, the Queen of Talk. We have the King of Philippine Business and we have the Queen of Talk. And speaking of that, eto na po ang ating exciting part. Dahil ang King of Business at Queen of Talk ay magko-collab na po. For the next episode, Henry C. and Chris Aquino tandems in business services. What is the collaboration or yung ambag ni Chris Aquino dito sa SM to promote or to help the shoppers or our economy? So, madidiscover natin to in next live.
Tapos yung iba-ibang flavor ng spread, tapos yung iba-ibang cookies, tapos yung iba-ibang candy. Akala mo, doon sa mga reseller na yun mo lang mabibili. When in fact, it's here. And here, at least, they're paying taxes. True! Kaya dito ako, para babalik sa Pinoy. Kaya mas, and it's cheaper. Promise, kasi nagsak ako, yung sinisingal sa akin for the gummy bears, mas mura dito. Kasi dun sa sinigil sa akin, dun sa pinili. Kaya dito na ako sa SM. Hello, sino ba naman ang kikiligin habang sabi ko parang, dream ko yun. Parang sa taas. Ano tawag doon? Ceiling. Hang signs. Hang signs. Ceiling banners. Hang signs. Hang signs. It's you. Yeah.
In other stores, may glass mirror out naman.
Kasi baka hindi na mangyari ulit. So, pupunta talaga ako sa akin gadget sa meron para yung sa may glass mirror.
It's amazing the much we have done in the lives of the young and old as well as organizations. We can only do more. From your Henry C. giving you the best tomorrow to serve the people and its economy, And thank you to Chris Aquino for joining my SM legacy to make happy consumer and to empower our nation through service.
I have earned my right to have a voice because I know how to defend my point of view with facts, figures, and common sense. Try it. From your Chris Aquino, giving you inspiration and motivation to strive hard and to succeed. And thank you, Henry C., for entering the SM with my family and to have a colorful journey with you and the C families.
Okay, you've just witnessed Henry C. and Chris Aquino. And that is a very good show to discover, diba? Ang ating Tito Henry at yung Tita Chrissy ay talagang nagseserbisyo sa taong bayan. Of course, sabi ko nga kanina, Chris Aquino is giving us an example para sa ating mga mamshi, sa ating mga ate, and of course in home also, literal, kasi sabi ko nga, Chris Aquino's modeling the make-ups, shoes and bags, accessories, and maging yung ating mga kakainin, diba? Yung mga baon, foods, diba? Para sa ating family at mga chikiting. So, she become SM's ambassador to market dahil tanyag na tanyag yung pangalang Chris Aquino at talagang ating mga mamshi na mahilig mag-shopping sa pang-araw-araw ay lalapit sa SM dahil Chris Aquino is also a motivation of all mothers. Pagdating sa family, panggastos, mga junakis. Diba? So, she's also a role model of being a mother. Diba? Para mapansin yung mga products na para sa family. Diba? So, yun yung naging collaboration with the C family or with Henry C in that particular years. Kaya naalala ko dati, when we go to MOA, when we go to SM supermarket, diba? Nandun yung mukha niya, nakamodel siya, may bit-bit na basket, bibili siya ng gulay, bibili ng mga pagkain, make-up, etc. So, yun yung kanyang ampat. Diba? So, time naman po sa ating CSR. Ano nga bang CSR na pwedeng gawin ng ACE at SM Homeward through the SM Prime of your Tito Henry? And of course, for the first time, madidiscover natin yung mga CSR ni Tito Henry C. At ni Tita Chrissy. So, how Chris Aquino help the people? Dahil alam ko ang kanyang family is also a group of CSR at talagang palatulong sa taong bayan, especially yung mama at papa niya, being a politician, Mr. Ninoy Aquino, Senator, fighting the rights of the Filipino. Diba? And then her mother, helping the people, the poor, giving education. Yung kuya niya, si President Pinoy, providing the needs and wants of the Filipino people and the economy. Yun din si Mr. Pinoy, may connection din yun kay Mr. Henry C. So, ngayon naman, what Miss Chris Aquino can do to help the nation and to bless the people, to help our economy through the CSR. As they feel blessed from the Lord and Jesus, let's also bless others, diba? So, Henry C. and Chris Aquino's CSR on helping and serving the nation. Check it out. Thank you for watching and God bless all of us. At dito po nagtatapos ang ating programa, Ang Lalaki, ang Babae at ang Mall, studying Henry C's SM Home World and Ace Hardware businesses and his connections with Chris Aquino in SM Supermalls. Ayun. Maraming salamat po sa ating mga dear subscribers who is watching Philippines and worldwide kasi po napapanood na rin po tayo sa iba't ibang dako ng mundo and also some of the foreign industry. So you may subscribe, you may watch this program, share on your social media, and buy this or download this blog. Click the link of the blog and then go to YouTube MP4, download this video blog, and it's yours now. So that you can repost it also on your social media. You can watch it without Wi-Fi, without internet, diba? And for only 100 pesos kasi po, part pa rin po ng ating summer sales hanggang June 25 na lamang po. Okay, so bili-bili na po kayo at mag-inquire na kung paano makakapag-avail ng ating video blog. And for those who wanted to screen record na lang, kung hindi nyo afford, screen record nyo po from first slide up to last slide for only 60 pesos. Bayaran niyo siya through GCash and Maya. Because the original rate of this vlog is 150. So babalik na siya pagdating ng 26 of June and then 80 pesos na for screen record. So inquire and chat me for any concern para pwede natin itong ma-upload. Thank you po and see you again for another video vlog of Henry C, the King of Philippine Business. Para sa ating educators and researchers, malapit na nating matapos ang programang ito. Siguro nasa 20 plus na lang na properties ng Tito Henry nyo na hindi pa natin na-unlock. Na dapat nating malaman, especially sa ating mga Gen Z, sa ating mga students, at yung mga ngayon palang isinila na hindi nila alam kung sino ba may-ari ng SM lang bang business ni Henry C? Yun pala, ang dami pa pala. So, dito po sa Ninong TV, we will provide the quality vlog to give you education and entertainment. Thank you. See you again for my another video vlog. And once again, thank you, Princess Arabit, for our special guest as Chris Aquino. Thank you.